One scientific discoveries that changed our lives. 1. Principle of electromagnetic induction. Michael Faraday's discovery in 1831 became the basis for the creation of generators and transformers, which led to the emergence of the electric power industry. 2. DNA structure. James Watson and Francis Crick discovered the structure of DNA in 1953, which helped understand how genetic information is passed from parents to offspring and how inherited diseases arise. 3. Law of universal gravitation. Isaac Newton's discovery in 1687 describes how bodies are attracted to each other and explains many physical phenomena, from planetary motion to an apple falling from a tree. 4. Vaccination. Edward Jenner created the first vaccine for smallpox in 1796, which led to a reduction in morbidity and mortality from smallpox worldwide. 5. Microscope. Zacharias Jansen's discovery in 1590 is crucial for biology and medicine, as it allowed the observation of microorganisms and the discovery of many diseases. 6. Radioactivity. Marie and Pierre Curie discovered radioactivity in 1898, which led to the development of new cancer treatments, including radiotherapy. 7. Quantum mechanics. Discoveries in the early 20th century included new scientific theories that helped understand the structure and behavior of atoms, leading to the development of semiconductor and quantum electronics. 8. Antibiotics. Alexander Fleming discovered the first antibiotic, penicillin, in 1928, which led to the creation of new drugs to combat infectious diseases. 9. Theory of relativity. Albert Einstein created the theory of relativity, which revolutionized our understanding of space, time, and gravity. 10. Theory of evolution. Charles Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection in 1859 explains how species evolve over time and has led to the development of modern biology. 11. Human Genome Project. The mapping of the human genome in 2003 provided important information about the structure and function of our genes, leading to advances in personalized medicine and genetic research.